Let's see how we can use Claude in Visual Studio. So I have this new React app running here. It's a simple Hello World app. And I have this app running here in my browser. So here in this app, we are going to try and implement Claude and try to use it to implement some features here in this app. To install Claude in Visual Studio Code, let's go to the extensions. And here I'm going to search Claude. So that's the extension we are going to install. It's already been installed 4.6 million times by different users. So I'm just going to install it. After the installation, you have to make sure it's enabled. Now let's go to our app. So here in app.jsx, I can see little icon here for Claude. I'm just going to open Claude here. So once you open Claude, it's going to probably ask you to sign up because Claude can only be used in Visual Studio on a paid subscription. So once you're here, we can give some commands to Claude to implement some features in this app. So here interesting thing is that Claude will be able to read your entire code. So here you can see I'm in app.jsx, and as I change the directories here, Claude is automatically changing the file here. So I don't have to say that I want to make a change in app.jsx, because when I select app.jsx, it's by default making changes in app.jsx. So here I'm just going to say move my hello world in center, horizontally and vertically. So I'll say use flex with Tailwind CSS. So if I do that, it's going to immediately open this comparison file where I can see what changes Claude is trying to make. So on the left is my original code. And these are the changes Claude is trying to make. It's trying to add a class name to my div tag and adding some properties like flex, item center, justify center, and it's changing the height to screen. So it's up to me to accept or reject these changes. So I'll try and accept these changes into my app. So I'll just click on yes. Once I click on yes, it's going to change my file according to the new changes. And now if I save this and go back to my browser, I can see my hello world is in the center, horizontally and vertically. Let's try another command here. So I can also say increase the font size of hello world to 100 pixels and make it bold. Now this time I didn't mention that I want to use Tailwind CSS. It's probably trying to read the code that I'm already using Tailwind CSS. So it's going to try and implement the second feature also using Tailwind CSS. So it's adding these properties, text 100 pixels, font bold. So every time it's making a change, it's asking me to review all the changes and accept it manually. So I'm just going to accept this change and see what happens. So my change has been implemented. Now I can go to my browser again and see my hello world has been changed to 100 pixels and the text is bold. So that's how we use Claude in Visual Studio Code. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you found a value in this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.